It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 16th of April. I'm Michael Groff. Temperatures fairly close to seasonal averages this weekend. We will see an increase in clouds, breezes, and some showers possible over the higher terrain of our state. Could we even see a little bit of rain here in the valley? Then the weather next week looks to warm up and dry out just a bit. We'll talk about that and everything else going on in just a moment. But first, it's Friday, so that means it's Photo Friday here, where we take a look at some of the photos and or videos that you guys have submitted. First up, Clayton took this picture yesterday in Scottsdale. Beautiful shot there of some high clouds coming through the area. And then some artistic-looking pictures here from Sohila. I hope I'm saying that name correctly. I'm not sure exactly where these were taken, but that's kind of some cool stuff. Love to see the artistry that people put into their photos. And then we'll go outside to the Southwest United States for some pictures from Oahu, courtesy of Tala. Picture there of some cirrus going on by, courtesy of the trade winds. So if you have some pictures you'd like to submit for Photo Friday, you can always do so. My email address, groffshow@gmail.com. That is GROFF show@gmail.com for Photo Friday. All right, let's get into it here as we check out the almanac from yesterday. 82 degrees was the afternoon high, 64 the morning low, the normal high 85, the normal low 60. And outside now, here just after 8 o'clock, a few clouds out there right now, 63 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 23, relative humidity 22%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning rather chilly over at Fort McDowell, 44, 45 in Goldsfield, 52 at Gilbert, Tempe, and Buckeye. Otherwise, mid-50s to mid-60s greeting us this morning. The upper air look shows a persistent trough out here across the western states, and that's helping to hold temperatures a little closer to average, a mainly westerly flow. So here across most of Arizona, we are dry, although some moisture will sneak in over the weekend for at least a few showers across the higher terrain. Here's the watch warning map. Still have some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings across parts of Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska, Kansas, and some flash flood watches along the Gulf Coast. The convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms extends from Texas eastward along the Gulf Coast. And the precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, probably nothing. Statewide, some light rain possible up along the rim and over in the eastern mountains of our state. And that will mainly come this weekend, and we'll get into what's going on there and everything else too as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Trough out over the plain states, kind of elongated back out here across the west, and a westerly flow aloft. So down at the surface today, we'll call it partly sunny, a little breezy at times in the afternoon, and high temperatures today, pretty pleasant, fairly close to average, low to mid-80s. Tonight, mostly clear, overnight lows, mainly in the 50s to around 60, and then tomorrow, a few clouds around, maybe some widely scattered showers in the afternoon across the higher terrain of our state, but we look to stay dry with high temperatures in the mid-80s. Then on Sunday, the GFS maintains this idea of an open wave or a weak upper low over Arizona, some dynamic cooling aloft, and just enough moisture around for a continuation of widely scattered showers or isolated thunderstorms, and even a small chance we could catch a shower or two here in Phoenix. Certainly not a high chance. I'd put it at about a 20% risk right now. But even if we see rain, it would be light, it would be spotty. Not everybody's going to see it, but just something to keep in mind for Sunday. Not enough to cancel any outdoor activities by any means, but a passing shower possible, partly cloudy sky and high temperatures in the low and middle 80s, and it will be breezy. On Monday, that moves out of here. Mostly sunny sky returns, high temperatures mid and upper 80s. Could sneak into the low 90s on Tuesday and Wednesday with sunny sky. Then on Thursday, forecast confidence dropping off just a bit. This run actually shows a fairly sharp short wave moving into Arizona. And if that's right, we'd see an increase in clouds, wind, maybe even some widely scattered showers. But for now, we're just going to keep the forecast dry. We'll back temperatures off a few degrees with high temperatures in the low and middle 80s. Here's a week from today. This is Friday, the 23rd. High pressure building along the west coast as that wave departs. And looking out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 25th. High pressure across the region. And that looks very warm and dry. High temperatures would likely be well above average, maybe the mid or upper 90s. All right, here's a look at rainfall running out through the rest of the month. This is coming off of the European ensemble. And yeah, absolutely nothing to worry about here. And temperatures off the national blend of models. Keeping it pretty close to average through the weekend, then temperatures will trend up, and look what happens way out there toward next weekend. Yeah, highs getting into the mid or maybe upper 90s. Oof. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here on Monday morning. Of course, updates before that if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. You guys be safe, stay cool out there, have yourselves a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.